entity, principles of accounts, past question number 19. Budget PLC issued for 50,000 ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 1 naira 50 kobo per share. Application and allotment is 45 kobo. First call is 50 kobo. Second call is 55 kobo. Determine the amount received on the final call. Now shares are issued. Shares are issued at 3 levels. One of them is premium, where a share is issued above its face value, then it is called premium. The other one is discount. When a share is issued below its face value is called discount. The last one is nominal of face value. When a share is issued to the public at the price of the company So now the source should determine the amount received on final call. The amount received on final call is 55 kobo, which is taken as 0.55 times the amount of the issued ordinary shares. The amount of the issued ordinary shares is 450,000 ordinary shares times 450,000 ordinary shares. So when you multiply this by this, you're going to have 2,475 naira 500. So which is 247,500 in naira. Because of the kobo, the unit of shares would now become naira. So option C is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.